Take a bumper for me, I blow the smoke in all the air. And it's a reggae music on the old mama dear. I look back in a life and all these songs to be here. Come see how me say jockey all the women shoes here. Enough for me go east and jump out through the year. Now after bag of money, now no new clothes to wear. But if you're hungry and me a pretend I like this year.
I wish for Valentine, a warm Jamaican Christmas time. When there is no snow, when there is no I wish that we could find sugar at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, just some never let a piece my burn. Oh, I wish for Valentine, a warm Jamaican Christmas time. When there is no snow, when there is no we should find true love at Christmas time. Hey, concerned. Where we can party all the night away. Orange on the beaches where all the lovers stay. Hey, you can take a swim and watch your teeth away. Jumping in the sunset like Bob Marley say. I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. When there is no snow, when the good sense in me now grow. Where the kings and queens are there? What? One more time. I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Hey, where there is no snow, where the good sense in me now grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't be concerned, show some love and let the peace fight burn. Oh, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense in me now grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, show some love and let the peace fight burn. Oh, where we can party all the night away. Orange on the beaches where all the lovers stay. You can take a swim and wash your tears away. Yeah, jamming in the sun just like Bob Marley say. I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. What? Where there is no snow. What? Where the good sense of being now grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, don't some love and let the peace fight burn. Oh, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas. Where there is no snow, and where the good sense of being now grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, don't some love and let the peace fight burn.
Relaxing all the sound, I think I'm just trying here. Take a bumper for me, I blow the smoke in all the air. And it's a reggae music on the old mama dear. I look back in a life and all these songs to be here. Come see how me say jockey year. And no panic or peace and about you the year. No after bag of money, no no new clothes for you. But if you're hungry,
Cheers!
I like this shit.
Hey, one Jamaican Christmas time. What? Where there is no snow, where the good sense in me now. I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't be concerned, just another piece, my friend. Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense in me now. We should find true love at Christmas time. It's so nobody ever
We're working for the ordinary.
Bully, bye, 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 bye. Yeah, all the lovers play. Bully, boy, bye, 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 bye.
You can take a swim and watch you Jumping in the sun just like Bob Marley say. I wish for all mankind
A warm Jamaican Christmas time, where there is no snow, and when the good sense in me, yeah, bro. What's me to the right? Thank you, buddy.
Merry Christmas! Early Christmas!
we'll see you.
What a one, what a one.
My favorite Christmas song.
I wish for all mankind
Another favorite.
Christmas time.
Welcome to the Sharpie Top Vanilla platform.
I wish that we could find
True love at Christmas. We're over here to have some fun with you guys tonight. It's our Christmas giveaway. Hey, hey, where there is no snow, and where the good sense in me. Tomorrow is a girl's birthday, so we have to turn up from tonight. You understand? Right. Tomorrow is your girl's birthday, so we have to turn up from tonight. Hey, all the lovers swear you all won't see me tomorrow. Like Bob Marley said, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas. Hey, where there is no snow, where the good sense in me now grow. And we can find true love at Christmas time. When we say, hey, the king's like burn. Oh, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas. I eat after this enough another. All right. Oh.
Where the good sense of me here
Pop, pop.
True love at Christmas time.
When we say, who in the party here tonight? Big up on yourself, come on in. Yes, boss up in the gate. Yes, I'm letting Kim. Yes, Kim Sophia in the place. Jeanette Johnson just walk in. Juliet Davis, thank you, Queen. Hey, Diane, hey, Jennifer Gooden. Where there is no, I want to say, I want the good sense in me. What? What? So some, hey, I want you. I need to just walk in. Hey, true love and princess. Linda, step in, come in, Queen. Come in. Yes, what up on your wig? How many want to knock you off tonight, you know? Hey, what? Thank you for the birthday wishes. Yes, one more year for them. Hey, we are claiming it. Hey, hey. No, Vanilla. My favorite Christmas song. When I step in, we just get started. We need a run. We have to run down Master Baker.
What did I tell you?
We put on a piece of karate fighting. Forget this back from Master Baker. Yes! Holy night, the stars are bright. Come on, Queens! Margaret Williams! Sing. Christine Forrester! Hey! What? Tell me. May I have to play the one and slow it down. You understand? My favorite one. Yes. He's the reason for the season, you see? Yes, man. Oh, yonder. That new and glorious fall on your yes, the angel said, oh, night divine, oh, when Christ was born. Yes! What a night, what a night, what a night it was! Yes! Lorraine, Marlene, what a night, huh? What a beautiful night. Oh. Jackie Gross just enter into the party. Yes. What a night, what a night. Martha Arnold. Thank you, beautiful queen. Sashira. June. Oh, nice. Yes. Kings and queens. Coral Reed. Coral Reed. Happy Tuesday,
Happy Tuesday.
Kings and queens.
Happy December 23rd.
Yes, the eve before the eve.
Yes.
Tomorrow is your girl's birthday.
Yes.
I'm feeling festive because God is truly amazing. I'm claiming that I'm going to make it tomorrow.
Yes.
until tomorrow to see my birthday.
Absolutely.
Yes, I'm excited.
And I'm going to wish you, my best friend.
Oh, it's too early, Vanilla, for this teary, lovey thing. I'm just come out of Master Baker character. I'm still mean.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
All right.
Yeah. Give me
I'll
24 hours.
I can't give you 24 hours.
Okay. All right.
Maybe 24 minutes.
All right. Kings and queens, we're here to show some love tonight to our beautiful supporters. We want to say first, before we get into our giveaway, we want to thank each and every one of you that ever blessed this platform, grace this platform with your eyes, and supported Vanilla and I, whether it's clicking a like, a share, a love, a care, a comment. We just want to say thank you. Thank you. And if you're new to our platform, we want to welcome you.
Welcome.
Yes, I am Chocolate.
And I am Vanilla.
And we are best friends and sisters from a different mother. Yes, we've been friends for a very, very long time.
Yes.
All right? So yes, welcome if it's your first time tonight. We always try to come out and show our love, and each season, especially Christmas time, we look forward to this because Christmas is my favorite time of the year. Yes. But before I get into our giveaway tonight, I just want to remind you that we're going to be taking some entrances tonight for Stooge Boutique, which we haven't taken because the last time I didn't have all the information. So if you're in the United States and you want to be entered so you can shop at Stooge Boutique, we have $100 in giving you to spend at Stooge Boutique. There are two ways you can do it. You can get the cash. We want to support her, so we're not going to give you the cash. I'm going to be straight up. We want to support her. So you're gonna, if you ended up winning, what you're going to do is you're going to go on our website and you're going to choose the items that you would like to purchase. You're going to screenshot those and send them to us with your information. We'll go on there and we'll order them and have them shipped to you, whatever you pick from the website. All right? You have to be in the United States to participate in this one. The other one we're going to take entries for tonight is the one in Jamaica that we want to give a queen a dress of her choice and a pocketbook of her choice. So there are two entries that we're taking tonight. One for Stooge Boutique and one for the dress and the pocketbook in Jamaica. All right, we're going to open the phone line and we're going to give you a chance to enter for those if you're interested in being a winner of either one of those. All right, we will tell you when to call. We already have the entries because we took them a while back for prizes tonight. We have $700 in cash. It moved up to $700 in increments of $100. We have credits on the board in increments of $20. We have Highland Grill, yes, increments of $60 to get a meal from Island Grill. All right? And these are all in the U.S. I'm going to be silly now, right?
Yeah, right.
Yes. So we have some festivities that's going to be going down tonight over here. We have the board right here. We have the board. And now you should be able to see the numbers correctly because we went ahead and we fixed them. All right?
Yeah, they should be better.
This is the board tonight. It's all about luck. When you call in, when we start the game, you give us a number. We're going to punch through the number that you give us to see what's in the cup that you choose. All right? That's how it's gonna work. It's 1 through 21. We're gonna raise it up so you can see it.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm not able to find my, what is it called, Vanilla?
The easel.
The easel. I have an easel, and I look everywhere today, and I wasn't able to find it. So I'm gonna use one of my bar stool to put it on so you can see it. I don't know what I did with that easel.
Stush Boutique, pick up yourself.
Stush Boutique, pick up yourself. Yes. So I just want to steal some love with you first, and then we're going to take the entries for Stush Boutique and for the outfit that you can get if you're in Jamaica. The dress, it doesn't matter the cost of it. Okay, when we send it to you, don't pay attention to the cost. We want you to choose something you absolutely love.
Yep.
All right? Yes. It's about to go down. All right? Let me find my song, and because I want to steal some love with you all.
Thank you, Jackie.
For my birthday.
Thank you, Jackie, for the
For
credit.
my birthday for tomorrow. Oh, go ahead. Sorry for
I was saying thank you, Jackie, for the credit for the stars.
Thank you so much for the stars. Yes, thank you. Let's see. Oh, no. Wrong one.
Uh-oh.
Hold on. Yes, it is the right one.
Camera.
Yes. My name is Champagne. But I want to steal some love with y'all tonight. You hear me? I long time me to steal some love with you. Wanna ready?
You ready?
Yeah, me ready. Me ready, Vanilla. Me ready. Come select, I don't mash up my
All right,
song.
I'm waiting for you.
You held me in your arms and make love to me. You knew my heart's desire. Your hands caress me. Your body possess me. Now I feel you. If I could, if time would stand still and leave us both this way, you know what? I'll be satisfied being here with you. Ah, yes, you set my mind on fire. The time you're near, my body and soul belongs to you. Oh, don't you ever say we're through. And we're still in love on the side. Still in love on the side. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. Your time is here. You got to leave and go on to your family. And your woman, she'll be waiting there for you. Ah, Lord, there's no explaining of the love we share. It's just between us two. And you can't stay away from me. I can't stay away from you. Baby, we belong. And that's why we're still in love on the side. Still in love on the side. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. And we're still on the side. Still in love on the side. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. And we're still in love, right on the side. We're still in love on the side. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. Yes, we steal some love. How about that? All right. So we're going to open up the phone line. And if you're interested in entering for Stooge Boutique, She has some nice stuff over there. I went over, I took a look. She has some nice stuff. All right? If you want to shop with Stooge Boutique, please give us a call. We're not going to stay too long and wait for you. So make that phone call. Or if you would like that dress with a pocketbook, if you're living in Jamaica, go right ahead. It's time to call. All right? We're going to give you a few minutes. All right. I don't know.
You don't know anybody?
I don't know. We're just going to have to use... I'll get one. Hold this. Yeah.
Boy.
All right. Come on, we're going.
Oh, we're getting a call
some
already.
calls.
Yes.
All right.
Wrong number.
Wrong number though. Call the other number, the chocolate.
You have to
and
call the
vanilla.
chocolate and vanilla line.
Mm.
The number's pinned.
Yeah. Yes. Y'all calling the wrong line.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hi, Trump, Manila, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you, and talking.
I am well, thank you, Queen. Thank you for asking.
Yeah. I'm in the U.S., I'm going for Stooge Boutique.
All right. What is your name?
Cheryl P.P.
Cheryl P. All right, Cheryl.
Is that Cheryl with an S or a C?
S.
All right. Vanilla, you got an admit on your
Yep. Okay, all right, Queen, I got you. I'll put it in the box in a minute. You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Would you like Stooge Boutique or the dress and the handbag?
Stooge Boutique.
All right, and what is your name?
Sure. And tell Chuck it's happy birthday when it comes.
I'm sorry, what is your name?
Shashira.
Can you spell it for me?
Yeah. Shashira, S-I-S-H-E-R.
Oh, Shashira. I think you have to be in the U.S., Shashira. I don't know if she ships to Jamaica.
Okay. Hi, Chuck. Tell Chuck it's happy birthday when it comes.
All right, I will.
Okay.
All right, yes, Queen. Hello, good night. Good night.
Good night. My name is Odessa.
Odessa?
Yes.
And what would you like to enter for? Stooge Boutique?
No, I'm in New York.
Yes,
So which one is it that you want to enter for?
Oh, I thought we just have to take the number.
No. No, it doesn't work.
We're
like that,
calling in
Queen.
right now
Sorry.
for Stooge Boutique or the dress and the handbag.
With a dress and a handbag.
If you're in New York, that won't work because you have to be in Jamaica for this one.
So just Jamaica could come, people in Jamaica could call now?
Yes, because we already took entries for everywhere else.
Or you can call in for Stooge Boutique.
Yeah.
We have to take people key.
Okay, Stooge Boutique. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Yes, Queen. Who am I speaking to?
Melinda.
All right, Melinda, and which one would you like to enter for?
Stooge Boutique?
Stooge Boutique. All right. It's Melinda A.
Yes.
Okay, Melinda A. We got you, Queen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Also, I can enter Shashira because she wanted Stooge Boutique. Let me put Shashira back in.
We prefer the U.S. for Stooge Boutique. Hello, good night.
I'm calling from Jamaica.
Okay. Which one would you like to enter for?
Can I get Stooge Boutique?
Stooge Boutique, we limit it to the United States because of shipping. All right.
Oh, so I'll take the other one for Jamaica.
What is your name?
Christine.
Christine. All right, Christine. What is the first letter of your last name?
F.
F. All right. All right. We just enter you. All right, let's go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Yes, good night. Who am I speaking to?
Coral Reed. Coralreid.
And Carol, for Jamaica, the dress and the pocketbook.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. You have to make sure you be a plus size. I said that the last time. All right, so just to let you know. All right, hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
All right, who am I speaking to?
Yes, please, thank you, Tashi.
All right, Tashi, what you want to be entered for? Dress and pocketbook. All right, we're about to drop your name, Tashi. All right, thank you, Queen. All right, let's go a few more. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. Compliment of the season to your chocolate and vanilla.
Same to you, my queen. Who am I speaking to?
Station Henry.
Nationa, and I'm assuming it's the Jamaica dress and pocketbook. All right, Queen. We just. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Shashira said happy birthday to you too.
Thank you, Sashira. All right, let's go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Who am I speaking to?
Patricia.
Hi, Patricia. Which one would you like to be entered for?
The pocketbook and dress.
Pocketbook and dress. All right, Patricia. Good luck to you, Queen.
They want to know if they can enter more than once.
Yes, you can, but I have limited amount of calls that I'm about to take. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Good night.
Good night.
Who am I speaking to?
Jeanette Johnson.
Jeanette Johnson, and which one would you like to be entered for?
Stush Boutique.
Stooge Boutique. All right, good luck, Queen. We're about to enter you.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. All right, I'm going to take like 3 more calls, okay? Hello, good night.
Good night, Chocolate. Can I enter again?
Yes, you sure can. What do you want to enter for?
Jamaica, Coral Reed.
Coral Reed. All right, Coral Reed, dress and pocketbook. Got you. All right. You're welcome. All right, let's go. That's one. All right, 2 more. What is going on with the phone here? Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Who am I speaking to?
Faith B.
Say your name for me again.
Faith B.
Faith B. And Faith, which one would you like to be entered for?
Stush Boutique.
Stooge Boutique. All right. All right, good luck, Queen. We just enter you.
Merry Christmas, ladies.
Merry Christmas to you
Queen.
too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The phone is on fire. Hello, good night.
Good night again. It's Odessa Tom again.
Odessa. And Odessa, which one were you again? Were you entering for?
Stush Boutique.
Stooge Boutique. All right, we got you. Oh, I feel bad to not answer. What's wrong with me? Hello, good night.
Good night, Chocolate.
All right, Melinda.
Melinda.
I caught your face now. All right, Melinda, which one is it? Stooge Boutique?
Yeah.
All right, got you. Okay. Yes,
You're
I forgot
welcome.
that they actually can have it shipped to someone here. Yeah, I get it now. I get it. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night. Who am I speaking to?
Good night, Queen, is Karen.
Karen. Hi, beautiful Karen. How are you?
I am fine. And how are you doing for people?
We're
Good,
wonderful.
good, we're
Thank you
good.
for asking. Which one would you like to be entered for?
I think, what is it again? Oh, the bag or something like
The pocketbook and dress in Jamaica. All right. Good luck, Queen. Good luck to you. You're welcome. All right, the last and final call.
All right, I'm going to
All
introduce
right,
Sharon.
this is the last. I promise, this is the last one. Hello, good night. All right, who's this again?
Odessa.
Odessa, and it's what again? Stoosh Boutique.
Yes, correct.
All right, we got you. All right, that's it for the entries. Good luck,
Hold on, I got to do it.
everyone. I know. Good luck. Take it time, Vanilla. Good luck to each and every one of you. All right, I'm gonna use my bar stool, and we gotta make do, right? I can't find my thing, so let me know if you're seeing the board clearly. Let me know if we need more lighting. Can you read the comments, please?
I haven't seen anything yet.
Yeah, we need to hear from you if you're able to see the board. Let us know. Let us know.
We'll be having fun, another golden sun. Christmas in Jamaica, here we come.
We just say long.
Just sail.
Y'all can see?
You're welcome, Shakira. They said we can see.
All right.
This is the one that's going to free.
Love is right, keep playing in the sky. Get right at the tongue, get mama's right.
Let's say they can see.
Okay.
Cecilia said happy birthday.
Sounds like a bird.
Thank you, thank you.
Donna Smith said happy birthday. It's clear. Let's say it's clear. They can see. All right, thank you, thank you, thank you.
The light of the moon. We be having fun under the golden sun. Christmas in Jamaica, here we come. We just say long.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Maxine Morgan Smith.
Yeah. Yes. We're gonna get
Aretha.
into it. We're gonna get into it.
Harold Tate. Good night, good night.
What happened? I don't know what I did. There we go.
Stush Boutique said happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Stoosh Boutique.
Henry Stewart. Big up
Thank you so
yourself.
much. Yes!
You got lots of
Already?
birthdays. You got lots of birthdays on there.
Thank you so much, my beautiful people. Thank you.
Andreen Williams.
Thank you all so much for the birthday wishes. Thank you for the love. Yes.
The Christmas tree. I don't want to call my own. More than you could ever know.
Make my wish. first box tonight. Good luck to each and every one of you. When I call your name, you have a minute to call and to choose a cup. You do not call within that minute, we're going to have to move on. All right, that's how it's going to work. You all should have the number to our WhatsApp. By now, is it pin Vanilla?
It is.
All right. Let's go. Vanilla is Miss Claus tonight. Miss Santa Claus. Miss Claus. Hello, Miss Claus. Are you ready to give away some stuff?
I am.
All right, Miss Claus. She's ready, Miss Claus.
I am. Good
All
luck,
right.
everybody. Good luck.
Let's go. Oh, by the way, let me show you inside. Remember, there was a partition. There's no more partition. I ripped it out today. See? All right.
Good luck, everybody. Good luck.
I ripped it out and ripped up the box. Okay, let's go, Vanilla. Go. Hurry up. All right. Who's the first person?
Hi, Gordon.
Pie Gordon. You have a minute to call. Pie Gordon. You got a minute to call and make your choice of one of these beautiful cups on here. Some are empty, some are full. You have a minute and we're watching the time and we're looking at the phone. Let's go. Vanilla, you're keeping track of the time.
I am.
Yes.
You have to call in.
You gotta call in. Pie Gordon, you are the first one that needs to call in and choose a cup tonight. You don't automatically win a gift when I call your name. You gotta call and make a selection off the board. Thank you for the 20 stars. What's the name? Suzelle, thank you so much. Is it a minute yet? 1, 4.
Get in there.
Yes. Come on, Pie. Here she is. Hello, good night.
This is Pie Gordon.
All right, Pie. Go ahead and choose a cup for us from the board, a number.
Number 5.
Number 5, Vanilla. Will you punch into number 5? Scratch into number 5. You gotta turn so they can see you. And open number 5. What's in number 5?
It's empty.
Number 5 is empty, Pie. Sorry. All right, sorry, Pie. All right, let's go again, Vanilla. Let's go. Oh, Christmas. Your turn, Vanilla. Yours, Miss Sarah, Miss Claus. Let me shake at the phone. Okay, go ahead. Vanilla. All right, who we got?
Arnett Eversley. Arnett A.
That's Ardette. Go ahead and give us a call, Ardette. Ardette. You have a minute, Ardette. I don't want you for my home. More than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas. Ardette, we're watching the phone. We're watching the phone, Ardette. We're waiting for you. You got a minute. she is.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Arnett, go ahead and choose a cup for us, please.
Number 17.
17. You gotta back away and show them.
17.
17. Go right in, Vanilla. Let's see what's in there. Number 17.
Woo! Woo! Congratulations.
Congratulations, Arnett. You won $100. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead and just text us your name.
Congratulations.
And the dollar amount, and we're going to get back to you, okay?
Okay.
Congratulations. Yes. Yes, there's some more of those up there. It's just all about luck tonight. And Vanilla, once you put out the name, I would like you to turn it to the screen to show. Yes. Yes, turn it to the screen, please. Come on. Let's shake. Yes, we gotta shake. Without throwing them away, because we want to make sure we're transparent. Alright, yes. In sin and error. Who we have here?
Marilyn Hamilton.
Marilyn Hamilton. If you're on the live, give us a call, Marilyn. Marilyn Hamilton. Rejoice. You have a minute. Are you keeping the time?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Oh, Marilyn Hamilton. Oh, now. Divine. Come on, Marilyn. You got a minute. You cannot call us after we get off the live.
Time's ticking.
Time is going. What time?
She has less than a minute.
All night. Marilyn Hamilton, we're calling for you. It's still on 8. Was it on 8 when I said it?
7.
It was on 7. We gotta pass up you, Miss Marilyn. We gotta pass you. Yes, we gotta keep it moving, all right? Because we have a lot of names in there. We want to give everybody a chance. We can't stay in here all night waiting for one person. All right, Vanilla, your Miss Claus tonight. Go right ahead. Pull a name. Oh, your shirt got caught. All right, go right ahead. Who is it?
Melinda A. Melinda A.
We have Melinda A. Melinda A. You have a minute to call us, Melinda. Come on, Melinda. It's on 9.
When it gets to 10.
When it gets to 10, Melinda, we gotta move on. Come on, Melinda. A. Love. Come on, Melinda. A. There she is. There she is. There she is.
Hold on.
Hello, Melinda.
Miss Melinda A. Hi.
Hi, Melinda. Go ahead and choose a cup number for me, please.
Number 15.
Number 15. All right, we're going to see what's in number 15. All right,
$20 credit.
we got $20 credits for you, Melinda. Congratulations. Text us your name and your telephone service.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Melinda. Yes. Let's go. Remember, there are folks in there more than once.
Yep.
So, let's shake again. Yes. All right, let's go, Vanilla.
Christine F.
Christine F. Christine F. F as in food. You have a minute. Come on. Come on, Christine F. Come on. Oh, hey. Congratulations to our winner so far. There she is. Is that her?
Did you call me again?
Who's this?
Who's this?
No,
Melinda. No,
We're waiting
Melinda.
for a Christine.
Okay, we're waiting for Christine. Christine F. F as in Frank. Christine.
Hold on.
Hello, good night.
Hello?
Who am I speaking to?
I'm speaking with Christine F.
All right, Christine F. Go right ahead and choose a cup number for me, please.
Number 7.
Number 7. All right, let's see what's in number 7. Vanilla.
Nothing.
But unfortunately, number 7 is empty, Christine. All right, good luck for the next try if you get one. All right. Okay. Let me remove these.
Oh, you want to take them off?
Yes, we're going to take them off so they know these are empty. All right, so let's go again. We still have a lot on there.
We do.
Let's go.
And a lot of things.
Yeah. Come on in. All right, Vanilla, who do we have?
Faith B.
Faith B.
B.
Faith B.
Time starts now.
Time starts now, Faith.
You have a minute.
Faith! We're waiting on you, Faith. Yes, Faith. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. This is Faith B.
Hi, Faith. Go ahead and choose a cup for me, Faith.
I want to choose cup number 14.
Number 14.
Okay.
All right. Let's see what's in
14.
there. Number 14. Yes.
Woo!
Let's see.
Woo!
Congratulations! $100, Christine.
That's Faith.
Oh, this is Faith. Oh, I'm sorry. Faith. Hello, Faith. Faith, you can't take a joke. Here.
Congratulations, Faith.
Faith, well, you can't take a joke, you know. Congratulations, Faith. You won $100. You're welcome. Text us your name and just put the dollar amount because we're going to reach out to you for your information. All right, Faith, congratulations.
I appreciate it.
You're most welcome. All right. All right. Oh, my God. Let's go.
Freaking two at the same time. And when they come out.
Okay.
Cheryl P.
Cheryl P.
Cheryl P. You have 1 minute.
Cheryl P. Call us. Your time
Cheryl P.
Did you show the camera?
I did.
Okay. There she is.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. Woman, Cheryl P. All right, Cheryl. Go ahead and choose a cup for us.
Number 10.
Number 10. All right, let's see what's in number 10, Vanilla.
10 is empty.
10 is empty. Sorry, Queen.
Sorry.
Sorry. All right, let's go. Come on, Miss Claus.
And the soul felt its worth.
All right.
Nadine Sylvester.
Nadine Sylvester.
Somebody's calling.
Hello.
Hello, good night.
Hello?
Yes.
This is Cheryl P.
Cheryl P.
Do you call you
You called already.
You called already.
Yeah, you got your chance already. Maybe you guys are behind.
You guys are behind.
Yeah. We didn't call you
We
again.
didn't call you again. We're looking for Nadine Sylvester.
Nadine Sylvester.
You have a minute.
You have a minute starting now. All right? You have a minute starting now. Nadine wants Sylvester. Come on, Nadine, it's counting down. You have 43 seconds. 40. 38. Yes. Oh, you are, or just they're behind. Oh,
Give it a couple of
yeah. We're waiting for
Nadine Sylvester.
Nadine Sylvester. We just realized that Facebook is a little bit behind. Come on. We gonna add 5 more seconds on it. Come on, Nadine Sylvester.
I think that's 20 seconds. They're like 20 seconds behind.
They're 20 seconds behind.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so we give them a minute and 20 seconds.
Yeah.
All right, it's Facebook.
Okay, time's up.
Your time is up, Nadine. We shall move on. Let's go. All right, let's go, Vanilla. All right, who we got?
Gillette Davis.
Gillette Davis. Gillette Davis, you have a minute starting now. All right, Gillette Davis. Gillette Davis, we're waiting for you. You got a minute and 20 seconds because we realize you guys are behind. All right. Love to you, Stoosh, Boutique, and the rest of our queens. All right.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
I would like number 19.
Number 19, all right. We're going to see what's in number 19. Right there, Vanilla.
Ooh, got something. Woo!
Congratulations! $100!
Thank you, Queen. Thank you.
You're welcome! Go ahead and text us your name and the dollar amount, and we will reach out to you.
God bless you. God bless you.
God
God
bless,
bless
you
you
too,
too,
Queen.
Queen.
All right. Let's keep it rolling. We still got some hundreds up in there. They're excited about them hundreds, huh?
Yes.
All right, let's go. right, Vanilla. Who we have there?
Suzette Forrester.
Suzette Forrester.
Forrester.
You have 1 minute and 25 seconds because Facebook is a little behind. All right. You got 1 minute and 25 seconds to call us. You're waiting on Suzette Forrester. When Christ. Suzette Forrester. You're down to 51 seconds.
Hi, Suzette.
You're down to 42 seconds. Suzette Forrester. Come on, Queen. Calling Suzette Forrester. 25 seconds. It's down to 17. 15. You're down to 10 seconds.
Time's up.
Time's up. We have to move on. All right, please don't call us up after the live if you weren't here.
Sorry to pass.
It's already gone. We
have to
gotta
be
keep
fair.
it moving.
We have to be fair.
Yes.
Unfortunate. Sorry.
Let's go, Vanilla. Who do we got?
Jennifer G. Jennifer G.
Jennifer G.
Jennifer Gooden.
Jennifer Gooden. You got 1 minute and 25 to call us. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Let's go.
Come on, Jennifer.
Come on, Jennifer.
Up.
Oh, oops. There she is. Hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
Good night. Jennifer, go ahead and pick a cup for us.
Number 16.
Number 16. Let's see what's in 16. Vanilla. Right there. Hold on, Queen. We're seeing what's...
It's empty.
It's empty, Jennifer. Sorry, Queen.
Okay.
All right. All right, let's go. Who do we have, Vanilla?
Shashira D.
Sashira.
You have a minute.
Sashira D, you have 1 minute and 25.
Time starts now.
Time starts now. Shashira. Come on, Queen. Come on through. Let's go. Sashira.
And as we trim the tree,
Come on, Sashira.
it's gonna be together.
This Christmas.
This Christmas,
Yes, they're behind. See?
A minute in.
Yes, a minute in.
oh, we
Got it.
caroling.
She's here. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Good night. Pick a cup number for me, Queen.
I'll go with 3.
Number 3. All right, let's do it.
$20 in credits.
$20 in credits, Sashira.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Text us your name and your telephone service. All right, Queen?
Yes, Queen. Thank you.
All right, bye. All right, let's go again, Vanilla. Alright, who do we have?
Christine F.
Christine F. Christine F, it's you again.
All night.
Come on, Christine.
Oh, Christmas.
The time starts now.
A very special Christmas.
Christine F. You have
Christine F.
a minute.
You got a minute, see, we're just moving from the board. Now they're gonna see, she's gonna see it.
Let's go.
Facebook is something else. Christine F.
Hard to hear. My world is filled with cheer.
Christine F.
Yes. Christmas.
Alright, Christine F. Good night. Pick a cup for me, Queen. Number 12. Let's see what's inside 12.
Oh man. It's empty.
Empty! Why are they going for the empty cups? Well, no, they're gonna get rid of. They're gonna
Sorry,
figure it
Queen.
out. They're gonna figure it out. Yes, they're gonna figure it out. Yes, come. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be exciting now. Yes. What do we have there? Who do we have?
Nation of Henry.
Nation of Henry.
Nation of Henry.
Come on, Nation.
You got 1 minute.
As I look around,
Nation of Henry. Come on, Nation.
your eyes are shining down. This Christmas, by your side is playing.
Nation of Henry. As soon as it's over.
Caroling through the night.
Hello, good night.
Good night, Queens.
All right, the floor is yours, Nation. Go ahead and pick a cup number for us.
Number 21.
Number 21. All right.
21.
Let's see what's in 21.
Woo! $20 in credit.
It's $20 in credits, Nation. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Text us your name and your telephone service.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome,
You're
Queen.
welcome.
All right, let's go again. Wow. Wow. Let's go. All right. Who do we have?
Ooh, Shashira D.
Sashira. Give us a call again, Sashira.
Shashira.
Sashira. To the front of the line. Come on.
And this Christmas will be
They're behind. It's annoying.
a special Christmas for me.
She gonna see it now. Yeah, we had a little time because we know you're behind. Sashira. Yes, come on in.
Come on, Shashira.
Come on, Sashira. Sashira, you got 45.
Oh, there she is.
Yes. All right, Sashira. Here's your second chance.
She won already. She won credits.
Oh, she won credit.
Yeah.
No, it's a second chance again. It's another chance.
Yeah.
Oh, it's another chance, I should say. Go ahead and pick a cup for me.
I'll take number 8.
Number 8. All right, let's do it. Number 8 for Sashira.
Woo!
Congratulations, you won $100, Sashira. Yes. So it is exciting fee credits. Huh? Oh, you ready to jump up some fee credit? You know something care about that one, no? Eh?
I am so good.
All right, Queen. Texas. God bless you too, Queen. Thank you so
God
much.
bless you too.
Text us your name and the dollar amount, Shira, because we're going to need to reach out to you, all right? God bless. All right, Queen. Yes. Excitement start, you know. All right.
We can't believe through the night. And
It's Christmas.
Karen Blair.
Karen Blair.
special for you and me. Yes, it made me.
Karen B.
Karen B. Karen B. We need you. You got 1 minute and 17 seconds on the clock right now. Karen B. We gave that extra 20 seconds because we know that you guys are behind.
There, it's going to show now.
Now it's going to show. Yeah, look at her call now. There she is. She's still on the live. Come on, Karen B. Come on.
We know you got the number on speed dial.
Come on, Karen B. Let's go. There she is. All right. Hello.
Good night again.
Good night again. Choose a cup for us, Queen.
I'm gonna go with number 18.
Number 18. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
Nothing. Nothing.
Oh, Karen, it's empty. Sorry, Queen.
Sorry, Queen.
No problem.
All right, love. All right, let's move on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, who do we have?
Patricia B.
Patricia B. Patricia B. Come on, Patricia. Patricia, you got it.
Minute 25.
You got 1 minute and 25 seconds,
We know you guys are
Patricia.
behind.
Yeah, we see. Yeah, we repeat that like 100 times.
Yeah.
There she is. All right, hello, good night. Please turn us down in the background. Go ahead and pick a cup number for me, Patricia.
Number 1.
Number 1. All right, let's see what's in number 1.
Ooh, $100.
Congratulations, you won $100.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Patricia, text us your name and the dollar amount, so we're going to reach back out to you. All right, Queen, congratulations.
Okay, thank you.
You're
You're
welcome.
welcome.
All right. Congratulations to everyone so far. Let's go, Vanilla. Let's go. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Who do we have?
Cheryl P. Cheryl P.
Cheryl P.
I don't know if it was with a C or a S, but Cheryl P.
Cheryl P. It's your turn, Cheryl P.
Hang on,
Cheryl P.
I'm gonna get to know
She soon see it.
this Christmas
And
as we turn the
Cheryl P, give us a call, please. You got 1 minute and 11 seconds.
Here, go call now.
Yep.
this Christmas.
Hello, Cheryl.
I'm talking.
Cheryl, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cups left.
And
Go.
5 prizes.
Go ahead and choose a cup for us.
Number 6.
Number 6. All right. 6. Let's see what's in 6. What's in 6?
$100.
Congratulations, Cheryl P. You won $100.
Thank you, chocolate.
You're welcome, Cheryl. God bless you. Text us your name and the dollar amount, and we're going to reach out to you. Okay, Queen, congratulations.
Congratulations.
So much to happy birthday when he comes.
Thank you so much, Queen. Bye. Bye. Let's go. All right. We're getting there. All right.
Coral Reed.
Coral Reed.
Coral Reed.
Coral Reed, we need you. Coral Reed.
Coral Reed, you have a minute.
Coral Reed.
We're caroling
You got a minute and
through the
16 right now. Coral Reed.
Christmas.
Coral Reed. Did we show yet? Now she's gonna see it. Coral Reed. Coral Reed.
I'm gonna get to know.
There she is.
You better.
Hello, Coral.
Good night, Queen.
Good night. So, Queen, go ahead and choose a cup for us.
Number 9.
Number 9. Let's see what's in number 9.
$20 in credit.
It's $20 in credits, Coral.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead and text us your name and your telephone service. All right?
Okay. Thank you, yes.
You're welcome. Let's keep it moving. All right, let's go. Come, Vanilla. All right, let's go. Who do we
Ooh,
have?
she lucky tonight. Shashira.
Sashira. We chose you again, Sashira. Yes, you are picked again.
As we trim the tree,
Come on, Sashira. Come on, Sashira. That's how the dice rolls. Come on, Sashira.
blazing bright. Whoa,
Yes. We're caroling.
through the night. Whoa,
Sashira, we're waiting.
Sorry.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Sashira, go ahead and choose a cup for us again.
Go with 13.
Number 13.
Go with 13.
All right, let's go, Sashira.
Empty.
It's empty. Sorry, Sashira.
Okay.
All right, Queen. All right, let's go, Vanilla. We have how many cups left?
4.
Some good prizes are there. I don't think. Talk too much. Some to blab it out. Ooh, go ahead. Who do we have?
Anicia D.
Anicia D. Anicia D. Come on, Anicia.
a very special Christmas
Come on, Anicia.
from me.
Come on, Anicia D. You have need a time. Come on, Anicia. You got 120.
Presents and cards and gifts.
Our world is filled with Anicia, come on in.
And as I look
Good night, Alicia. I want you to do me a favor and pick a cup number.
Number 20.
Number 20. Let's go for number 20. Let's see what's in number 20.
Island Grill.
It's Island Grill. That's in number 20.
Oh my God. Alright, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Far away.
It's too far. Say that again, Queen.
I'm far away. No, there is no island grill in St. Mary.
Oh, there's no Island Grill. So did you want us to hand it over to someone else, Queen?
If there is anyone there you can hand it over who did the royal grill, that would be so nice. I can do something for someone for the Christmas.
That is so beautiful. You
You
hang
want to
on.
pick somebody from...
You hang on, Anicia, on the live. Don't move off the live. I love that. Don't you come off the live, Anicia. All right? Stay on the live. All right. Yes. We have an Island Grill. Yes. All right, let's go, Vanilla. Who do we have?
Tawana B.
Tawana B. Tawana B. Tawana B. Tawana B. You have 115 to call us. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We have some beautiful queens. Yes. Tawana B. And this Christmas will be a very All
Hello,
right.
good night. Oh,
The person hung up. I guess it's not Tawana B.
No.
Okay, let's see. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Who am I speaking to?
Tawana B.
Tawana. I've never heard that. I've never seen that. Have you ever been on our platform before?
Yes, I have.
You have. What's my name?
Chocolate.
What do I look like? Am I black? Am I white? Am I Chinese?
You are dark.
Am I American? Am I Japanese? Am I Jamaican?
Jamaican.
I'm just playing with you, Tawana. All right, Tawana. Tawana, pick a cup for me, sweetheart.
Number 11.
Number 11. Let's do it.
$100.
Congratulations, Tawana. You won $100.
Thank you so much, Queen.
You're welcome so much, Queen. All right, Queen. Text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
No.
Hold on, Vanilla. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm messing with Tawana.
All right.
You just know. Tawana. Text us your name and the dollar amount, all right? Because we're going to reach out to you, all right?
Alright, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Queen.
Jeez, Vanilla, let me have some fun with Tawana, please. Golly. All right, let's go. We have 2 more cups to go.
People making this
I know that falling. One then. Who do we have?
Cheryl B.
Cheryl P. Please give us a call. All right, there are 2 cups left. We have number 2 and number 4. All right, come on, Cheryl P. All right, give us a call. You have how many? You're not counting. All right. You have a 120 on the clock. Give love Aye. Who is this? Is this Cheryl J?
Yeah.
Is this Cheryl K?
What do you have? J? JRP?
What about Q?
No.
So you're Cheryl P.
Yeah.
All right, Cheryl P. Cheryl, go ahead and pick a cup for me, please.
What number are they again? I forget.
We have number 2 and we have number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4. Let's do it, Cheryl. Number 4. Let's see what's in store on number 4.
Island Grill.
Are you close to Island Grill, Cheryl?
No, I could give it to somebody down there.
You can give it to somebody down there. All right, congratulations. You got an Island Grill, all right?
Yeah, thank you so much.
You are most welcome. Just text us your name and put Island Grill, all right? And we're going to reach out to you, okay?
Okay.
All right. We have 1 cup left. Who will it be? Oh, will it be? Let's shake this up, baby. All right.
Melinda A.
Melinda A. Come on, Melinda A. And it's going to be a default.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Melinda, we're waiting for you. You better stay on the line. We're not done yet. We're not done yet.
All right,
Yes. Hello.
hello, good night.
Melinda, there's only 1 cup left, and it's number 2. So let's see what's in number 2, Vanilla.
Okay.
It's empty.
Number 2 is empty, Queen. We just wanted to hear your voice. You're welcome. Thank you so much, Queen. Thank you. Appreciate it, all right?
Yes, you're welcome.
Bye. All right, we're not quite done yet.
We're not done yet.
Let's freshen up the wine glasses. All right. And we get into some things. All right. We're gonna do the drawing for Stooge Boutique and for that outfit in Jamaica along with the pocketbook. All right. Shake it up, Vanilla. I will pick for this. All right. Okay, let's see. I grabbed 2. Can I shake it up again? I'm sorry. 2 came out. Okay, let me make sure I get 1. All right. Okay. Jeanette Johnson, you are the winner of that gift card to Stooge Boutique. That $100 to spend at Stooge Boutique. Jeanette Johnson, please give us a call. All right? All right, so we can congratulate you. Jeanette Johnson, you are the winner of that $100 to spend at Stooge Boutique. Hi, Jeanette. You've reached a number that is no longer in service. If you happen to reach this number by accident, please hang up and dial again. Ooh, she believed me. Oh my God. Hi, Jeanette.
Hold on.
Hold on, Jeanette.
Why did you hang up?
Jeanette, why did you hang up on me?
We thought you heard the messages, thought you got the wrong number.
Jeanette, congratulations.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. So, Jeanette, what you're going to do, you're going to go over to Stooge Boutique. Have you ever visited that boutique before?
I tried to, but I could never get on. I don't know what she on, Facebook or Instagram.
No, you just need to enter go to Google and put in www.stoogeboutique.com.
Okay.
And then when you go on there, whatever it is that you like and you would like to purchase, you screenshot them and you send them with if it's clothes, you send them with the size, all right, to the chocolate and vanilla WhatsApp. We're going to go over and purchase them for you. We'll get your information to have them shipped to you, okay? Congratulations.
Congratulations, Queen.
Thank you so much, Queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Queen. Thank you. God bless. All right, let's do it for the Jamaica outfit.
All right.
Yes.
So if you pull for a Stooge Boutique, you just have to...
I just have to keep going
Yeah.
until I get the first one for Jamaica.
Yep.
Yes. So if it's for Stooge Boutique, that's already taken.
If it says SB. Nope, that's for...
Yes. Congratulations to Tashi. Tashi, you are the winner of the dress and the purse in Jamaica. Tashi, please give us a call if you can. All right. All right, this is how we're going to give away this Island Grill tonight. The first person to call me and tell me...
Oh, wait.
Oh, hold on.
Hello, good night, Queen.
Tashi. Congratulations, Queen.
Thank you so very much.
You are most welcome. All right, Queen, we're going to send you the pictures of the dresses and the pocketbooks, and you just pick whatever you like, courtesy of chocolate and vanilla.
Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it.
You
You're
are
welcome.
most welcome. Happy holidays to
Happy
you and your
holidays,
family.
Queen.
Thank you.
All right, good night. So I want to give away this Island Grill. And the first person to call and tell me what is my line when ending a live. What do I say at the end of almost every live? And I want it exactly the way I've been saying this now for 6 years. If you can be the first person to call me, call us and tell us how chocolate and her live. Let's hear it. Hello.
Hello, Queen.
Say it to me, Queen.
I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Absolutely
All right,
nothing.
do they have an Island Grill
Who
near
am
them?
I speaking to?
Melinda A.
Melinda A. And you have an Island Grill near you.
In the Bronx, yes.
In the Bronx. All right. All right, Melinda, just text us and put Island Grill. All right? All right, Queen.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. There's an Island Grill in the Bronx. We're going to have to go visit it.
Yeah.
Yes. So, Anisha Downer,
Downer.
if you're still on the live, because of your kindness tonight of giving away your island grill because you said it was not close to you. Yeah, some people would have still taken it, but you didn't. I would like to gift you with $100 tonight. So Anicia, if you're still on here, please give me a call. I'm gonna gift you with $100 for that. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, I thought she was.
Hold on.
Anisha!
Thank you guys so much. Well appreciated. Thank you.
You are most welcome, and thank you so much for supporting us over the years, Anisha. You've been here from like day one almost, and we really appreciate you.
Thank you guys.
And thank you for being so
Thank
kind
you for supporting
tonight.
us.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure. Your kindness are about coming more and more too. That's so wonderful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Queen.
Thank you, Queen.
Happy holidays to you and your family.
Happy
Text us
holidays.
and put the dollar amount, and we're going to reach out to you. All right, Queen?
Okay, then. Thank you guys so much. Bless you and your family.
You too, Queen.
Merry Christmas when it comes.
You too, Queen. God bless.
Hold on, jump in.
Yes. Yes.
Happy Kish, let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Come on, Kish. We know that tomorrow is your birthday. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You put the heart in a doo-doo.
Oh!
Just make this happy birthday to you.
Ah, I love it. Thank you so much. I'm going to take my hands off the doo-doo now, all right?
Yeah, Sunday was Kish's birthday, the 21st.
Well,
happy
tell her,
belated
Keisha, I
birthday.
said happy belated
Happy
birthday.
belated birthday.
Thank you.
You're most
welcome,
welcome,
Queen.
Princess. Have a good night, all right? Happy holidays.
All right, take care.
Bye. Love.
Love
Love you too.
Yes, Vanilla. It was amazing tonight.
It was.
It was beautiful. Not everybody were able to win.
Kings and queens, before we go any further, I would just like to wish my best friend, my sister, my ride or die. You know, you're an amazing person. You're an amazing soul. I love you. I wish you nothing but the best. And thank you for being the amazing person that you are. Thank you for being my best friend. I love you with all of my heart. Love you, sis.
Lay down here. Give me sugar here. Thank you. Thank you.
I love my
Vanilla.
sister. All right, everybody, help. Please help me wish Chocolate happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh, they're helping you.
Right there.
Right there. Is that the one you want for me?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Life. Celebrate life.
Hey!
One more year upon them.
Hey!
One more year upon them.
Hey!
Yeah.
Happy birthday, happy friend.
What?
One more year upon them.
What me say?
115, give thanks for life. Next year we're doing it again.
Bro.
Happy birthday, happy friend.
What me say?
One more year upon them.
What?
Happy birthday, my friend.
One more year condemn. One vibe, give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again.
What is it?
Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
Wow, wow, wow.
One more year condemn.
Wow, wow, wow.
More life to your count, they are trillion. Read from me, I no pretend.
What the?
Still I live, so we love it life. It's another year, so we are rejoice. We not paranoid. Gratitude is a must, so make we build a vibe. Yeah, the most I prayer, we not going down.
Go ahead.
We tell you love it down. Heart clean with health and strength, what you are worry about. Why the most I blessing you? Yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
What?
One more year condemn.
What?
Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
One more year condemn.
More life to your count, they are trillion.
Thank you, Barry. Thank you, Coral. Leslie.
Oh, thank you for the credit. Paulette.
With the time we live it done, we have life and we not suffer. Oh no, still I make it no times rougher. Oh. Most side you with the strength, they are for your reason. In any event, happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year pandemic.
Hey.
One vibe, give thanks for life.
What?
Next year we doing it again, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
Challenge. Faith.
Pandemic.
What's up, nation?
They are trillion. Read from me, I no pretend.
Yeah, Karen.
Celebrate for your reason.
Yeah.
Joy for your reason.
Yeah.
Life to your best, it's a birthday season.
Yes. And I'm gonna pick someone else to bless with $100.
I can tell you a story about
One dance can do.
one dance can do.
Comment section.
Listen that.
Hey!
One dance
On the floor. What?
she came back.
Wanting for more.
Now I don't know
What it is.
that I've got. She whispered the
So nice. But I met someone from the comment section as a supporter. I'ma bless you.
Now we want just from the corner.
I'ma give you. Alright. I can't bless you. I can give you. I'ma give you $100.
Sending in my way.
Standing in my way. Jackie Bless.
More than ready.
Yes, Karen.
Maureen Brown.
Move with me anytime.
Not even thinking.
I'm going through the comment section.
I had to think.
Who will be the lucky one?
Christina's happy birthday when it comes on Friday.
Happy birthday,
Anybody else celebrating a birthday or an anniversary? Gillette Davis, big up his shout. Sharon Blair. Carol Johnson.
Wants to spoil the play. You're standing in my way. Standing in my way.
Who's it gonna be?
Will it be?
How we feel.
I almost get the comment. It's gonna be hard for
You're
you.
very hard.
Almost.
But I think I made up my mind already.
Too many people say me.
I'd like to live.
This person's here religiously. And I just want to show you some love tonight. Miss Leslie, if you can call me,
Leslie McRae.
thank you for being here all the damn time. I love you, Queen. Merry Christmas. Still standing in your way. Standing in my way. Standing in my way. Yes. Hello, good night, Queen.
Hello, good night, Queen.
Hello?
Miss Leslie.
Yes, chocolate queen.
I want to just gift you $100 and say thank you for your support. You're always here, and we appreciate you so much.
I appreciate you too.
Thank you. So go ahead and text us your name and put the dollar amount. We're going to reach out to you, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, darling. I love you both.
Love you
Thank
too,
you.
Queen.
Love you too, Queen.
Hi,
Uh,
Camilla.
Hey, Queen, how are you? Happy holidays.
I'm great. Thank you, and same to you.
Thank you, Queen.
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna get working because we know Christmas is right around the corner and we want to send out the money. Yes, so you guys can go shopping tomorrow or do whatever you need to do. We don't keep you on here. Thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes. Hope you enjoyed tonight, whether you were a winner or not. You know, we just wanted to show some love. And from our family to yours, happy holiday, Merry Christmas. Thank you again for the birthday wishes.
Thank you.
We'll see you. We'll probably pop in on Christmas Day to say Merry Christmas if time permits.
Yes.
But we want to take the opportunity tonight to just let you know that we appreciate you and Merry Christmas to you and yours.
Happy holidays.
I love you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Good night.
Good night.
Let me get out a little bit. Yes. Cheers. Tomorrow is on the birthday. I know my birthday yet. But tomorrow my birthday. Yes. 2 hours. We're gonna send off for the credits. For the money. Yes. Yes. Why? Beautiful people, my love,
You want dance on the floor.
hey,
She came back,
wanting for more. Oh, hey. Good night.
Good night, kings and queens. Have a blessed night.